just chilling in my snuggie. Turned to MTV so they could teach me how to doggy. 'Cause in my castle I'm the freaking gal. Oh yes, I said it, I said it, I said it 'cause I care. Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel like picking up my phone, so leave a message at the tone. 'Cause today I swear I'm not doing anything, nothing at all. Ooh, 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 nothing at all. Ooh, 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 ooh. Well, tomorrow I'll wake up, do some P9 or X, meet a really nice guy, see whatever comes next. He's gonna scream out, this is great. Oh my God, this is right. I might just mess around and get my college degree. I bet my old man will be so proud of me. Sorry, Pops, you just have to wait. Oh yes, I said it, I said it, said it 'cause I care. Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel